Hello, my name is Kai Vickers. For my career research project, I chose nursing. As a kid, I wanted a career that is challenging, interesting, and makes a difference in people's lives on a daily basis. I believe that nursing is one of the most interesting and growing careers available today. The required level of education for a nurse is a bachelor's degree from an accredited nursing school, as well as the nursing credential RN and BC from the National Council of State Boards of Nursing. When you see the initials RN, BC after someone's name, it means the person is a registered nurse who has achieved board certification in their specialty. Their professional nursing practice may involve patient care or another aspect of nursing. Board-certified registered nurses can be found in hospitals, nursing homes, physician offices, and other locations. There are many job duties that a nurse must undergo. Some of those jobs include assisting and caring for others, such as providing personal assistance, medical attention, emotional support, or personal care to others, such as co-workers, customers, or patients. They also must guide, direct, and motivate subordinates, providing guidance and directions to subordinates, including setting performances, standards, and monitoring performances. They also have supplemental duties such as prescribing or recommending drugs, operating medical devices, or other forms of technology or treatments such as physical therapy, inhalation therapy, or related therapeutic procedures. Registered nurses should be caring and empathetic when looking after patients. They need emotional resilience and the ability to manage their emotions to cope with human suffering or emergencies or other stresses. Registered nurses must be able to communicate effectively with their patients to understand their concerns and accurately assess their health conditions. Nurses need to clearly explain instructions such as how to take medication. They must work in teams with other health professionals and communicate the patient's needs. There are many physical demands that a nurse must have, such as stamina, which is the ability to exert yourself physically over long periods of time without getting winded or out of breath. Oral comprehension, which is the ability to listen and understand information and ideas presented through spoken words and sentences. Also, near vision, which is the ability to see details at close range. The range of salary for a nurse is between $72,000 and $420,000. Oh my God, what did I say? Oh my God, I'm sorry. The range of salary for a nurse is between $72,420 and $140,930. Most registered nurses begin as staff nurses in hospitals or community settings. With experience, good performance, and continuous education, they are able to move to other settings or even be promoted to positions with more responsibility. In management, nurses can advance from assistant to clinical nurse manager, charge nurse, or head nurse to more serious senior level administrative roles such as assistant director or director of nursing, vice president of nursing, or chief nursing officer. Increasingly, management-level nursing positions require a graduate degree in nursing or health services administration. Administrative positions require leadership, communication skills, negotiation skills, and good judgment. There are 2.5 million jobs for nurses currently in the United States. There are advanced practice specialties such as oncology, which is nurses who work with cancer. The employment growth is outstanding, and the retirement rate is also above average. Overall, job opportunities for registered nurses are expected to be good because of employment growth and the need to replace workers who retire over the coming decade. However, the supply of new nurses entering the labor market has increased in recent years. This increase has resulted in competition for jobs in some area of the country. Generally, registered nurses with a Bachelor of Science degree in nursing or a BSN will have better job prospects than those without one. Employers also may prefer candidates who have some related work experience or certification in a specialty area such as pediatrics. Nurses are more than task-oriented. They're caregivers, leaders, collaborators, and educators. They share their knowledge and skills. Being a nurse means being able to see aspects of the human nature which are few are privileged to see. It's about being able to help people through hard times, even if it doesn't feel like you can make that big of a difference. They serve as role models, provide guidance to families and other caregivers. Being a nurse is a gift. Not many people are cut out to become one. I still debate if I'm gifted enough to become one. Nursing is not just a job. Being a professional nurse means the patient in your care must be able to trust you. It is more than just showing up and being glad to be there. Nursing will allow me the opportunity to continue to serve the community, as well as use my gifts of helping and communicating. I would like to change and touch the world by sharing my gifts in the profession that I feel needs it the most. However, as much as I would like to change and touch the world, I feel like it is more important to be a part of something that makes the world a better place. And I don't believe that there is any other profession that will bring me greater joy than nursing. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. Have a good day.